Hello students, this is Mrs. Miller, and the purpose of this video is to explain how you're going to complete assignments in our textbook, which is completely online. Okay. Earlier this year you were given your username and password, but no worries, I'm going to have you write that down again. So you should have been given a small strip of paper that contains your username and password. What I would like for you to do is take a moment once the video is finished. You're going to write your username right here on this line, and you're going to write your password right here on this line. Okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and go to the internet, and I'm going to type in that website address. It's my.hrw.com. You can see that it automatically came up for me because I've been on the site quite a bit here on my own computer. Okay, let me go ahead and take out my own personal username and password, and I'm going to log in as a student. I've just selected a student from one of my classes because I want you to see what you're going to see when you log in. You're not going to be able to see her password. Okay, so once you go to my.hrw.com, you'll type in your username and your password, and then click Login. And this is what's going to come up. This is your screen right here. Now, you're going to open the book. So this is our textbook, and we'll be having assignments in our textbook later. But for this week, we're going to practice writing an essay. So you're going to go to the Holt Online Essay Scoring, and you're going to click on it. This is what you're going to see. It says, "Welcome to Holt Online Essay Scoring. This site is designed to help you improve your writing skills and prepare for standardized writing tests. After you write a response to one of the prompts, you will receive an essay score and some written feedback about your paper from our computer scoring system. Don't forget to take advantage of these helpful features of our site: graphic organizers that let you do your pre-writing online, tips for writing and revising your essay, specific feedback on several features of your essay, suggestions for improving your writing based on your essay score, model papers for each prompt." So just go ahead and click Next, and you're going to see this page right here. Since you had been working on narrative writing with Mrs. Stanley, that's the type of writing, that's the kind of essay we're going to do this week. So click on Narrative. And I've looked through the prompts, and I decided that for this week I'm going to assign a prompt. I want you to complete prompt number 3. I think that would go really well with what we've been reading with science fiction. You'll be able to use a lot of creativity. You can pull in a lot of ideas from some of the science fiction stories that we've read. Okay, I'm going to read the prompt to you. It says, "You have made a very important discovery, one that will make you famous throughout the world. Write a story in which you tell about your discovery and how you made it. Be sure to include details about the setting and any characters in the story, and be sure that your story has a beginning, a middle, and an end." Now, we've already studied the stages of plot in reading class. So when I look at your essay, I expect there to be an exposition or an introduction, events in the rising action, and you should have your conflicts. There should be a climax, falling action, and resolution. Okay? Now, you'll click right on the prompt, and it doesn't have to be science fiction. If you want it to be science fiction, that's fine. It's up to you. Right up here, you're going to see some pre-writing and writing tips. You can click on that. You'll see some revision tips, and you'll also see some graphic organizers. Of course, I think it's a very good idea to organize your writing. So you can click and it opens in another window. You can decide which type of graphic organizer you want to use. So you would just click, like let's say you want to use a spider map. You can just go over here to generate some ideas. You would click on it, and it opens right up. And you could put your topic in the middle. You can type right in it. Okay? You could try another graphic organizer if you prefer, or you can return to your essay. Now, I'm going to suggest that you first write your essay in Microsoft Word. Okay? So I'm going to just open a new document here, and I'm just going to type, write your essay in Microsoft Word. The reason is because if there happens to be an internet issue after you've done your writing, you don't want to lose all your work. So you'll want to write it, you want to save it in Word, and then you'll be able to copy and paste it right into the document here. Okay, so that is my suggestion. Of course, you could do it how you want, but that's what I would suggest. After you type your essay, your narrative essay, which is, in this case, it's going to be a story, then you're just going to click on Get Your Score. If I don't have enough writing, this is what's going to happen. It's going to say, your essay is too short to score. Please develop it further, then try again. So you're going to write your essay, and it needs to be a minimum of 5 paragraphs. When we get to the I-STEP test in March, this is going to be the long essay. It needs to be at least 5 paragraphs in length. Okay? Then you'll be able to get your score, and you'll be able to look to see what are some things that you can do to improve your writing. We will be doing essays on a regular basis so that we can get better with our writing. Okay? If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. You can email me. I'm going to type my email address right here. It's jrmiller@hammond.k12.in.us. And I usually respond within 24 hours. Once I go home for the evening, I'm usually with my daughter and my husband, so I'm not checking my email, but I do check my email every morning when I get to work, and I will respond to your emails if you have any questions. Okay? Okay, this assignment for this week, I'm giving you the assignment on the 11th. So this assignment is going to be due on Friday, November 15th. You must have this finished by Friday, November 15th at the end of the day. I will be checking the computer on the 16th to see how you did on this assignment. Okay? All right. Good luck.